New trending app is just launched, Rewind.AI, a truly personalized AI. Rewind captures everything you've seen on your Mac and iPhone and makes it searchable with AI. Your colleagues will wonder how you do it all. So just how it works, Rewind captures everything you have seen on your Mac and iPhone and makes it searchable with AI. So just install Mac or iPhone to this Mac or iPhone app. And then you can just automatically capture, turn it all into a private, browsable, and searchable database. Browse, search, ask. Easily leverage your database with personal AI assistant. Automate note-taking at a human level, meeting summaries. Avoid ever repeating lost work when a system inevitably crashes. Leverage AI to find detailed draft emails and summarize it all. Get a personal assist who is everywhere and knows everything to handle tasks, capture notes. So there are some nice reviews. I can remember every detail and not disrupt calls with note taken. So yeah. Some people are, of course, a bit concerned that that it just captures anything, but and then yeah, you can just get and download it. I'm not sure why there is no like just a app link. Probably they're also collecting emails here. So yeah, you can just find some articles about them. And this app is backed by Andreessen Horowitz. So, but let's just find that. So yeah, here you can just find this app like that just by typing Rewind AI. And that's the idea. And then you can just open it up. And then you can just type get started, allow access, allow full access, enable Safari extension, add Rewind to Safari to create visual timeline, allow extension, and then just you can allow it with private browsing or not. So let's just test it again. Enabled. So now it's working. So yeah, now it's working, and then you can enable in settings, capture Safari activity, import screenshots. And then it just basically tracks some of your screenshots, and then ask Rewind, ask about anything in your imported screenshot as Safari history. And then just basically it's like a chat. So yes, so I did some like video tutorials about the TikTok Live. So yeah, and then it just basically analyzes that I had some videos about that. So, and then it just gives me some information about that. So yeah, also I can probably search, and then probably it can analyze. So here, like it can also analyze some text, and then you can just ask. So probably you can just ask through your notes through everything, like you know, all the information you used, and just ask it. You know, that's basically how I found out that AI works the best. Like, if you provide it with your data and just ask it to summarize and how somehow, that's the best kind of use case. If you just asking randomly some specific stuff, it's not that good yet. Probably it will get better, but if you just provide, and here's like I was working on this video and here's my meeting notes, it will quickly summarize, create bullet points, ask some, you know, like it will give you answer to some questions about that topic. So that, I think, is pretty cool angle of this app, is that, yeah, you can just, you know, really push your productivity, and especially on a Mac. You know, if you're taking a lot of meetings, browsing a lot of websites, then you can just enable that, and it will just summarize, like if you forgot something, or yeah, that's just my idea how I think it may work, but that's what it is.